I'm trying to take $200 into over $28,000 within the span of 52 weeks. Welcome to week 7. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content. I believe the goal this week is about 408, 409. Let's actually hop in and take a look at that real quick. Just to run over it, this is the compound interest calculator. This is how I kind of dreamt this up. So starting with $200, that's what we started with 7 weeks ago. Length of time in years is 52. It should be 52 weeks, but we're just going to change out the years for weeks. Interest rate, 10%. Compound frequency annually, which would be the equivalent of weekly. We hit calculate, and now it's going to give us what we need to hit for the week. So looking at it, week 0, we started at 200. By the end of week 1, we need to be at 220. Week 2, 242. Week 3, 266. Week 4, 292, and so on. And this is week 7. So this week, our goal is actually to be just below 390 at 389.74. So that is the goal for this week. Let's see if we can get it. Day 1, week 7. This week is going to be more than one trade, only because I felt a little rushed because I have some things to do. I saw a really nice opportunity, but didn't quite get to act on it. So with that being said, let's hop in, take a look, and see what we see. This video is brought to you by Moomoo. At the time of this recording, Moomoo is offering an 8.1% APY on all uninvested cash and up to 60 free stocks when you sign up and make a deposit. And if for some reason you're not familiar with Moomoo, Moomoo is a worldwide brokerage, and it more than likely has something for you, whether you are beginner or more seasoned investor. Let me show you just how easy it can be to run company analysis in Moomoo. Let's say I was thinking about buying Apple stock. I would click on Apple or search Apple up. I can click on company, and just like that, I already have the financials right here. I can swipe down, see all this other data. If I want to take a look and see who are the shareholders, I can click on shareholders. I can also look at kind of their dividend payouts. I can see that the dividend yield has come down over time, but I can see that the dividend payout has increased over time. There's a lot more analysis and numbers to look at as well, but this is just scratching the surface. Moomoo offers a lot of powerful tools for whatever kind of analysis you're looking to run. All right, so here we are looking at the portfolio. As you can see, actually, it looks like we did hit the goal. Yeah, you can see the balance is 409.72. It shows today's P&L. We're up 10.22, meaning we hit the goal. And yeah, as it comes down to it, what I traded today was a $200 Apple call that expires in about 2 weeks on July 7th or July 3rd. It is currently July 20th as I'm recording this. And when it comes to the trade, or when it comes to just kind of the buy and sell times, let's take a look real quick. All right, so right here, we can see I bought the Apple call, paid $268 per share, sold out at $305 per share, and it's still moving. There was more opportunity. I probably would have rode it more, but I'm kind of in a little bit of a rush, got some plans. But this just shows, like, whenever you're patient and you see the opportunity, 15%, or not 15, 10%, this is manageable. Don't have to make these trades every day. I think I traded I took profit on the trade at the beginning of the week. It's the end of the week. This is supposed to be towards next week. So that's kind of how I'm looking at this. And yeah, I entered the 268 call at 11 a.m. Eastern time, and I got out at 11:35 Eastern Standard Time. So looks like it was $38.35, so a little over $1 a minute. It's starting to be a better rate of pay. All right, so right here, let's actually turn off these EMAs because they weren't really relevant. All right, so this blue line up here was resistance pre-market. Like when I drew this on Apple this morning, Wait, actually, what is that? Oh no, okay. So the range on Apple this morning, kind of how I got here, is support on Apple this morning was 195. Resistance to start the day was about 197. So at the moment, these lines aren't relevant. Going to a 15-minute chart, this morning we kind of ran up and then we started selling off. So it was about in here, I kind of realized and noticed that, and I saw, okay, we're at support. Looks like we're still selling. And I noticed, hey, there's some liquidity right here. So I drew a line from the liquidity and said, okay, this is going to be the entry. And I actually did this on stream, and I said, okay, from here, with this sweep of liquidity, I can see us coming and like kind of taking out this high. But for this challenge, I want to keep my goals conservative. So this is what I was looking forward to kind of take profit, but I got some plans, so I didn't want to be sitting in this. So looking at it, I went and picked the best contract that I could get for like 2 weeks out, and having that had a decent enough delta. I looked at the move I was expecting. So from here to here, that's about $1.84. I was really just looking for something that could get it in a dollar move, and kind of looking at it, where I wrote it, I entered the trade right here on this candle right here, and I exited on this candle right here, not at the top. It was kind of like around where this candle just started forming, so around like 198. It is still heading towards my safety target, so definitely would have been more money there. Like I sold out at 305. It's currently at 328, so definitely money to be had there. But once again, I'm just here. Had to get off stream. All right, and yeah, you can see kind of my trade plan. So first level was, take profit here, or at least set my stop loss here. Just didn't have the time. And then it's like, if it still keeps moving there, I was going to be finally out right here. So that's kind of like what the trade plan looked like. Now taking a look at the challenge and how we're doing. All right, so here we are. So I am happy to say that this week, we did it again. Another green checks. 5 green checks, 2 red. We'll come to outnumber. So the start, we started at 371.79. The goal is 408.79, and we're currently at 409.72. Wait, let's see. 409.72. And then if we take that, just looking ahead to what we want to hit next week. Oh, here, let me also fix this because this is way off. Okay, there we go. Looking ahead to what we want to hit next week. This is about where we should be for the challenge. This is where we are. Our goal is going to be just under 451 next week, so that's going to be about $41. So the profit that we made this week was just under $38. So this is moving up. It's looking good. So yeah, I'm digging it. I'm digging it. We'll come back and yeah. If you learned anything or enjoyed the video, be sure to smash the like button. It really helps to support the channel. If for some reason you're new here and haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any future content. And last but certainly not least, thank you so much for watching. Manuel signing off, and I want to change your life. Peace out, family.